Fifth problem. Evaluate integration c z square plus z plus 1 by z minus 2 whole cube dz over c mod z equals 3 by using Cauchy's integral formula. Here A is 2 lies inside C because radius is 3 they have given. Therefore 2 lies within that circle C. By generalized Cauchy's integral formula, see in denominator if there is power like this 3, 2, like that, if we get a power like this means you have to use generalized Cauchy's integral formula. This is the generalized Cauchy's integral formula. Integration C f of z by z minus a whole power n plus 1 dz equals 2 pi I by n factorial f power n of a. Here a value is 2. Put a equals 2 in this. 2 pi I by 2 and also n value. See, this 3 can be written as 2 plus 1, n plus 1. You have to write in n plus 1 form. Therefore, 3 can be written as 2 plus 1. Here n value is 2. 2 pi I by 2 factorial. N value is 2 and a value is also 2. F2 by F2 of 2. Call this as equation 1. Now you have to find out this one and substitute in equation 1. F of z means numerator z square plus z plus 1. F dash of z, differentiation of this one, 2z plus 1. Again if you differentiate you will get f2 of z, that is 2. If you put in place of z 2 you will get 2 only because there is no z term in the RHS. F of 2 also 2 only. Using this in equation 1. Integration c z square plus z plus 1 by z minus 2 whole cube dz equals 2 pi I by 2 into 2. 2 to get cancelled, 2 pi I is the required solution. Next, sixth problem. Evaluate integration c e power 3z by z square dz over the c mod z equals 1 by Cauchy's integral formula. See here a value is 0. They have not given the constant. Therefore, a is 0 lies with inside the c. Because here radius is 1, the circle will get minus 1 to 1. Since there is power, so apply generalized Cauchy's integral formula. This is the Cauchy's integral formula. Integration c f of z by z minus a whole power n plus 1 dz equals 2 pi I by n factorial f power n of a. Here a is 0. A is 0 and n value 2 can be written as 1 plus 1. Therefore, n value is 1. 2 pi I by 1 factorial f of 1, f1 of 0. You have to find out this one, then substitute in this equation 1. F of z means numerator. They have given e power 3z. F1 means you have to differentiate once. F dash of z is 3 into e power 3z. Here z value, a value is 0 or z is 0. E power 0 means 1, you will get 3. Substitute in equation 1. Therefore, integration c e power 3z by z square dz equals 2 pi I into 3. 3 into 2, that is 6 pi I is the required solution. Homework problem. Try this at home. Evaluate integration c dz by z square minus 4 over first one c mod z equals 1, second c mod z equals 3 by using Cauchy's integral formula. See a square minus b square form. This can be written as z plus 2 into z minus 2. Partial fractions you have to apply. Try this.